Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile photo on Facebook. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed with all the latest posts from your friends and followers. Step 2. Now, locate your profile by tapping on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Facebook profile. Step 3. Next, locate the profile photo option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Choose Profile Picture option and tap on it. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the photo you want to set as your profile photo. Then, adjust the photo size to your liking and confirm by tapping the Done option. Lastly, choose the Save option to change your profile photo on Facebook instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!